Hello everyone. Today we're going to take a quick walk around look at this brand new 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. This Wrangler is in tank clear coat, has a black leather trimmed interior. It is four-wheel drive with the Command Track four-wheel drive system. It is powered by a 3.6 liter variable valve timing Pentastar V6 engine with the 5-speed W5A 580 auto stick automatic transmission with manual shiftability. This vehicle does have the keyless remote entry. Also has the body color applique on the rear bumper, the trailer tow group, black Freedom 3-piece hardtop with a storage bag, does have 18-inch painted aluminum wheels on Bridgestone Dueler AT tires, deep tint sunscreen glass, up front you have the satin silver bezels in the grille and the headlamps. You've also got the body color applique around the fog light surrounds. Alright, and this Wrangler does have remote start. To activate is easy, just double press the remote start button on the key fob. Alright, taking a look inside. This vehicle does have power heated mirrors, power windows, and power door locks. Sahara logo stitched in the seat back with the steel gray contrast stitching. You have your automatic headlamp and fog lamp control on the turn signal stalk, leather wrap tilt steering wheel with audio controls. And pan through the interior just show a little more detail. On your steering wheel you have your Uconnect Bluetooth command or buttons. Also got your trip computer buttons with exterior temperature display and compass, and your cruise control. You have your 6.5-inch touchscreen display with Garmin-based navigation. And behind the screen, you have your CD and DVD slot, auxiliary input jack, USB port. Moving down, your power window switches are mounted between the air vents. Air conditioning, heated seat controls, stability control, hill descent control, and your power points. Little storage net here. 115 volt, 150 watt household style AC outlet. You've also had 2-level storage in your center armrest, which does lock. It also comes with the hardtop removal tool. Does have 2 levels of storage. Automatic dimming rearview mirror with integrated reading lights. Alright, and take a look at the rear seat. The rear seat does seat 3 across. It is a 60-40 split folding seat. Rear floor mounted cup holders. You've also got your window switches. You have a little bit of ambient lighting here. Seat back mat pockets. Overhead speakers on the sport bar, which include illumination. And folding the seats is easy, just locating the lever at the top of the seat and pulling forward. Alright, and taking a quick look at the luggage area. It is very nice and spacious on the Unlimiteds due to the extended wheelbase. In this bag here is the Freedom Panel storage bag. And underneath your floor liner, you do have a little storage bin that is covered. You've also got little storage locations for your door hinge bolts, your roof bolts, and your jack storage is underneath. You can actually lock that in place with that little pull tab. Alright, this has concluded our quick walk around look at this brand new 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. If you have any questions or would like to see this vehicle, please contact our showroom. One of our friendly sales staff will be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. And as always, thanks for watching.